big round of applause for all the teachers who are coming. The team has already mentioned that they are nothing without their staff. I feel as Zealon, if parents are not with us, we are also nothing. Right? मैं बात कर रही थी किड्सी के बारे में. 2003 में we came into operations, and after when we came into operations, that time the concept of preschooling was not much, right? So after that time there was no particular pedagogy or curriculum for our children in kidsy as well. We के बाद 2008 में जरूरत पड़ती है because टाइम चेंज हो गया, नीड्स चेंज हो गई, बच्चों को उसी तरीके से प्रिपेयर कराने की जरूरत है. So again 2014 में we upgraded our curriculum and it became interactive Illume from Illume. Illume को upgrade करके interactive Illume बनाया गया so that उस टाइम के हिसाब से बच्चों को अपडेशंस की जरूरत है. To be the first one who talk about not only the brain development of the child but also mind development. How many of you believe that mind and brain are two same? Different है? Same है? Okay. जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सेम नहीं है, can somebody tell me कि क्या डिफरेंस है? माइंड और ब्रेन में क्या डिफरेंस है?
I would say from a very doctor's perspective, like brain is something, an organ that is responsible for your cognitive development, for your learning, for motor. Mind is something that involves both your personality and brain, like both. So you when you say I'm mindful, so you're aware of what's happening.
For interesting sharing.
In very layman, this time I would like to say, suppose we are talking about the computer system, because generally we compare with the so we can understand in a simple way to understand to kids. So hardware is a part of like the brain. We can compare hardware with the brains and mind with the software programming.
Right.
What kind of the program hardware part of the
No, right? The first thought is no, interconnected है. लेकिन अभी तक हमारा जो भी सारा फोकस था, because we believe that early years, that is the 5 early years, are foundational years and are very important because maximum brain develops during these 5 years. 5 to 6 years में बच्चे का over 90% brain development हो जाता है. I am sure ये चीजें आपने बहुत बार सुनी होंगी और नहीं सुनी है. So this is not something which I am saying. This has been proven by psychologists, researchers, scientists that over 90% of brain develops during 5 to 6 years of child, right? So उस टाइम पे बच्चे का मैक्सिमम ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. अभी हम पिछले इतने सालों से ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट, बच्चे की होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट पे बात कर रहे हैं. नाउ टू मेक देम ग्लोबल सिटीजन्स, टू मेक देम रेडी फॉर द कमिंग minds, right? Like you saw in this performance by children that now we are going to having our new pedagogy, that is Pente Mind in place. We are not only going to focus on the brain development and academic development of children, but also mind development, right? And when I say mind, 5 minds of future, I won't take you into too many technical terms, but people who are from education sector might have heard name of a famous psychologist called Howard Gardner. हमारे एक साइंटिस्ट हैं जिनका एजुकेशन फील्ड में बहुत नाम है. उन्होंने बहुत रिसर्च किया है, about the growth and development of children. Seen in the performance, we are going to be focusing on 5 minds. The first mind is, as you have seen, inventive mind. All right. So that through our activities, through our new inculcated activities, we are going to make our children thinking innovatively, doing creative things by their own imaginations. Other than that, we have analytical mind, which will be our second focus, and so that their children will be doing activities which will challenge them. The fourth mind we are going to focus is आपने बहुत सारी चीजें सीख ली, but if you are not able to decide what is right and what is wrong, सही क्या है और गलत क्या है, उसका डिसीजन अगर हम ना ले पाए, अपनी बातों को हम कम्युनिकेट ना कर पाए, so is there a point having that information and knowledge? through our activities, we are going to help our children stimulate their conscientious mind. This is becoming very, theoretical session. I would like to have a small activity with all of you. अपने आप solve करना है आपको. Do we have that? हो गया, ठीक है. So I will start. आप लोग बता सकते हैं आपके क्या responses हैं, ठीक है. 24H of the D. 24 hours of the day. Is there anybody else जिसने कुछ और किया है इसका? 24 hours of the day. Is it right for everybody? All right. Second is 26L of the A. 26 letters of the alphabets. Alphabet. So alphabet is collection, is cumulatively जो हमारे 26 letters होते हैं उसको alphabet बोलते हैं, ठीक है. So 26 letters of the alphabet. Is there anybody जिसने कुछ different किया है? Can you pass on the mic because I found something interesting on the sheet.
Oh, thank you.
Language of Aryabhat.
Sorry?
26 languages of Aryabhat.
Of?
Aryabhat.
Okay, all right. Very interesting. And can we clap for him for thinking? Very nice. The next one, 7D of the W. 7 days of the week. Anybody जिसने कुछ different लिखा है? No. 4th, 12S of the Z.
12 signs of the zodiac.
Very nice. Can we clap for her? 12 signs of the zodiac. 52 W in a Y. Great. 52 C in a P. Very nice. Can we clap? सबने कर लिया थे 52 C in a P? किस का नहीं हुआ था? Very nice. Thank you for giving this answer. 19SS.
9 planets in solar system.
Very nice. Can we clap? 90D in RA. 90 days in a rainy season. Rainy season. RA. बना दिया आपने. आपकी क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग स्किल्स को कैन वी जस्ट गिव हिम अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. सो इट इज एनीबडी एल्स जिसको मिला है इसका आंसर? नहीं. टीचर्स 90D in RA. No? चलिए keep thinking. Next is 12M in a Y. 12 months in a year. Okay. 29D in a L. 29 days in a leap year. 5T on F.
5 times namaz on Friday.
Sorry?
5 times namaz on Friday.
Very nice. Very unique. 5 times namaz on Friday. In Friday. Amazing. 60M in an H. अरे वाह, very good. Can we clap for her? 6D in a O in C. ये वाला किसी को मिला है? Answer? नहीं sir? All the fathers. No? No, all the mothers. Can I give you a clue?
Yeah.
Okay. विराट कोहली को जानते हैं आप लोग?
Okay. 6 balls in over.
So just by saying Virat Kohli, you have got the answer. Very good. Clap for yourself. 6 balls in a. Very nice. 1000 Y in M.
100 years in
Right. Great. 365 D in a Y.
Can you repeat last
1000 yards in a mile. Yeah. 365 D in a Y. right या wrong answer नहीं है, and the whole purpose of doing this activity was this only कि इसके ऊपर कुछ question नहीं लिखा था. It was just to prick your brains. It was just to provide you with an opportunity to think in a different way, right? And our brains are processed like that we generally जो हमें information होती है, जो हमारी pre-information existing knowledge हमारे पास होती है, हम उसको use करके then when we come up with some challenge, we try to find out solution in our own ways, right? So इसमें हमें rainy season, नमाज और बहुत सारे ऐसे आंसर्स मिले जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थे और बहुत यूनिक थे. लास्ट इज 365 डेज इन अ ईयर. इसमें एक बचा है ना 90 डी इन आरएलई. किसी को नहीं पता है? किसी को नहीं पता नहीं है? इसके लिए भी क्लू दूं. हैव यू स्टडीड ज्योमेट्री इन योर मैथमेटिक्स?
90 degree.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Come on. Awesome, amazing. So this was a small example of how we are going to help our children, think critically. In today's time, it becomes very important that it is not only about giving them a math question and asking them for having a solution out of it. It is about putting them in a situation and asking them to think critically and come up with a solution of their own. And for one problem, there can be multiple solutions. Do you agree with me on that? Right? So having our new education policy 2020 in place, our prime focus is going to be foundational literacy and numeracy skills. Art education is going to be very, very important in our new pedagogy. We will be talking about it. Then mental health. Mental health is also very important. आजकल आप देखते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चों को बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो हर्ट करती हैं. They feel a lot of stress, anxiety. So it is very important that we also work on their mental health, and through our activities we are going to work on their overall personality and we'll be helping them with their mental health, mental mind. Then critical thinking skills का जो अभी हमने example देखा है. And then in this new pedagogy, our small kids are going to have some project work which they will be doing with the help of their mentors in school and with parents. Right? So this is going to be the new pedagogy as per new education policy. The new offerings are okay. We just take 2-3 minutes to felicitate these little kids because I think they want to leave. So the teachers are requested to felicitate them in the middle of the session. Teachers. And the rest of them also. Yes, Ritvik, Rakshit. Yes. Hi Rakshit, come. What is this? Do you want to say something to them? No. No? What do you want? What do you want? What is that?
Yes.
Okay. So can we
Clear thoughts we have.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
सामने कौन बैठा है?
Yes.
Parents.
Parents.
Very good. Can we clap for it? Divan. Can we have a round of applause for Divan? Divan, you want to say something to them?
No.
You want to get?
Yes.
Very good. All right. Poonam ma'am, say thank you to all teachers and parents.
Thank you.
Very good. I'm sending on. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then say something for them.
No.
Early signs of being a comedian.
And who is your favorite cricketer? Do you watch cricket? No. What do you watch? Which sport is your favorite sport? Football.
Yes.
So did you watch FIFA World Cup? आपने देखा था?
No, but I like football.
You like football?
Yes.
Do you have your favorite player of football?
Yes.
Who is your favorite player?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Can we clap for him? Can you read this? What is the name of the game?
What is the
Very good. Can we clap for it? The name of the game is What's the Difference? So you have to find out the difference. And the last star performer of the day is Arna. Arna, you want to give them a message? Say something. कोई एक चीज जो आपने मैम से सीखी है वो बताओ पेरेंट्स को. How do we protect our environment? You want to say something about it?
No.
No. आप भी अपने फ्रेंड्स की तरह. No. Say something. Give them a message. How to protect your environment? अच्छा, what do you like most about your mama? मम्मा के बारे में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है आपको? बताओ. कहाँ है? आई है?
No.
पापा है?
Yes.
Where is Papa? What do you like most about your Papa? बताओ. पापा की सबसे अच्छी बात कौन सी लगती है?
He helped me.
He helps me. Very good. Can we clap for Arna? So Arna likes that her father helps her. Arna, very good. Keep doing that. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Can we clap for her? All right. So thank you, children. Thank you, parents. We quickly covered some more topics about our new pedagogy, and so that you are aware, because this is also an orientation program for all of you, because you would be knowing that in the coming year what new offerings will be there for your children with Pentalite. Of course, content is going to be similar, but the way of learning and teaching would completely differ from how we were doing it till now. There will be a lot of changes in the activities and in the programs. So we have added 5 programs which are mentioned here. So the first one is World and World program. This is an absolute new program for our children in Kidsy, and this is going to be part of the curriculum. So I think most of you like dancing. कोई है ऐसा जिसको डांस करना पसंद नहीं है? I am not asking कि डांस करना किसको आता है. डांस करना पसंद किसको नहीं है? Is there anyone who doesn't like dancing?
Yes, ma'am. There is one kid.
अच्छा, इनको नहीं पसंद है? आपको भी नहीं पसंद है? नहीं पसंद? पसंद है. I think सबको डांस करना पसंद होता है, right? But डांस करना कैसे है और डांस को सीखना कैसे है? That is tricky, right? So अभी हम एक छोटा सा एक्टिविटी करें. उसके लिए आपको खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. Can you stand up? अरे खड़े होने में इतना आलस है. ठंड में तो इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज करने में we really enjoy. Okay, so this is a program. I would not say a dance program because we are not going to teach them a particular dance form, but we are going to teach them how to learn to dance, right? In a given space or given beats. तो बच्चों को डांस सिखाना कैसे है? अभी तक हमारी कोशिश क्या रहती है कि कोई बॉलीवुड गाना बजाया और फिर we expect our children to learn the steps by probably following their teachers or following videos. But from now onwards, this is going to be part of the curriculum. And आज हम देखेंगे कि कितना easy होता है. हम बच्चों को बहुत फोर्स करते हैं ना कई बार कि लर्न नहीं हो रहा है, जल्दी से नहीं सीख रहे हैं. टीचर्स भी बोलते हैं एनुअल डे के लिए प्रिपेयर कराते हैं 3-3, 4-4 महीने पहले से, राइट? सो अभी दिस इज गोइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ आवर करिकुलम एंड हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डू. हम एक छोटा सा एक्टिविटी करेंगे. तो डांस कई सारे स्टेप्स को मिला के बनता है, राइट? कई सारे स्टेप्स को मिला के बनता है. तो इस डांस में जो अभी हम करने वाले हैं उसमें 2 स्टेप्स हैं, ठीक है? पहले स्टेप में 4 आपको क्या करना है 1 2 पे राइट लेग को स्टॉप करना है 1 2 3 एंड देन 4 पर क्लैप करना है क्लियर है 1 2 3 4 ठीक है सबको करना है ये और थोड़ा सा चेयर से आगे आगे हो जाइए ताकि आराम से हो जाए ये हम 4 बार करेंगे क्या करना है 1 2 राइट लेग 3 पर लेफ्ट एंड 4 पर क्लैप क्लियर है सबको याद रहेगा चलिए टीचर्स आप भी यहाँ पे आके करें सो दैट दे कैन फॉलो राइट 1 2 राइट लेग स्टॉप 3 पर लेफ्ट लेग एंड 4 पर क्लैप ठीक है रेडी पेरेंट्स स्टार्ट 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 वेरी गुड एक बार में याद हो गया अभी सेकंड स्टेप इज 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ये 4 बार करना है ओके रेडी स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 याद हो गया सिंपल स्टेप्स है अभी पूरा एक साथ करना है 4 बार ठीक है सो मैं बोलूंगी 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ऐसे 4 बार याद है ना दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करने की जरूरत है नहीं चलो आप ऐसे आओ ना ताकि वो लोग आपको देख भी पाए अगर कोई भूल जाए इधर आ जाओ रेडी स्टार्ट 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 very good can we clap for all the parents very nice please have a seat अब सच सच बताइए did you enjoy doing this did you enjoy doing this थोड़ा सा एक्टिव भी हो गए right now what is so special about this program is like यहाँ पे हम बच्चों को सिंपल बेस पर उनकी बॉडी मूवमेंट्स इन अ गिवन स्पेस ऑन सर्टेन बीट्स हम उनको सिखा रहे हैं सो इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट लर्निंग अ डांस स्टेप बट ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट देयर बॉडी देयर एक्शन इन रेलेवेंस टू स्पेस टाइम राइट कि कब कितनी देर में किस तरह से करना है अभी अगर हम ये 5 माइंड्स की बात करें सो आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सा वाला माइंड ज्यादा डोमिनेटिंग था See, there will be activities where 2 minds will be, used, or 3 minds will be used, but 1 mind is going to be always dominating. तो इस एक्टिविटी में आपको क्या लगता है सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा माइंड डोमिनेटिंग था क्या करना पड़ रहा था हमें फोकस और किसी को कुछ और लगता है remembering the step so how do we do that by focusing only right by focusing only so focused mind was very active in this right इसी तरह से कुछ जो हमारे programs है और activities हैं we are going to work on all of their 5 minds of future and these activities will get them to be having their minds stimulated and having their dominating mind helping them to do that particular activity right so after World at World we will be having a mental mind program this program will help children understand diversity inclusion and make them aware of the interconnectedness right it is also going to have their empathetic mind stimulated and by knowing and by understanding other people's emotions and needs this is going to make them be connected with other people also right then the other program we have the new program we have is showstopper what comes in your mind when you hear this word showstopper से आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है मॉडलिंग और स्टेज शो करना ओके और बताइए showstopper Alright, so showstopper is again अभी तक हमने जैसे सुना है कि जो हाईलाइट ऑफ द शो होता है जो maybe topper of that show so we do it like by ramp walk या जैसे आपने बोला मॉडलिंग और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू करते हैं, बट नाउ द स्पेशल थिंग अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोवाइडिंग चिल्ड्रन विद एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हाउ टू क्रिएट अ प्रोग्राम, राइट? दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट ड्रामा कन्वेंशन, ड्रामा रिप्रेजेंटेशंस. सो इसके लिए एक छोटा सा एक्टिविटी हम लोग करेंगे. ऑल ऑफ यू नो अल्फाबेट, राइट? ऑल 26 लेटर्स ऑफ अल्फाबेट. वील स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर, ठीक है? आपको ए लेटर से कोई भी सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है. सेंटेंस, एक सेंटेंस बनाना है ए लेटर से, ठीक है? एंड द नेक्स्ट पर्सन विल मेक अ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेटर, लाइक बी, देन सी, देन डी, ई, ऐसे, ठीक है? कैन वी स्टार्ट? ए से बनाना है. Apple is a healthy food. Very good. Keep clapping.
Banana is my favorite fruit market.
Banana is
Favorite fruit market.
favorite food fruit of my kid. Very good. Thank you.
C. Cat is a cunning animal. That is.
Oh my God. Cat is a very animal. D. बोलो बोलो. D से कोई भी sentence. Any sentence starts from D. Dog is a most loved animal. Very good. Thank you. Can we clap? Yes, sir. E. E से बताइए. Elephant is very good. Cute. Okay. Elephant is very cute. F. 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 E के बाद क्या होता है? F सेट बनाना है आपको.
फ्लावर्स स्टेटमेंट बनाना है बेटा, सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. फ्रूट्स आर कैसा होता है? हेल्दी.
Fruits are very healthy. Very good. After F. G. F के बाद क्या आता है?
Grapes are very good for health.
Very good. Next. Horse is a fast animal. Okay, sir. H के बाद.
After H, I.
Igloos are a home for snow people stay.
Very nice. Great. Next. Very nice. Next. आप बताइए. हाँ. J के बाद K आता है. Sorry? Kites fly in the sky. Very nice. Lion is king of the jungle. Mangoes are very sweet.
Nights are long in summer and short in winter.
Nights are long in summer and short in winters. Confused हो रहे हैं. And O.
Orange is a fruit.
Sorry.
Orange we love orange.
We love orange. आ रहा है. Orange से बनाइए आप.
Orange is color.
Orange in color. आप रह गए ना पीछे. आप बताइए. O के बाद. P से. Parrot is cute bird. Can we clap for everybody who participated? All right. अब ये एक्टिविटी करते हुए क्या हो रहा था? Can you tell me? क्या हो रहा था? क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था? Right. So it was impromptu. It was quick. You were not given time to think and you have to just say without thinking जो भी आपके माइंड में पहली चीज आ रही है. तो उससे बच्चे का कौन सा माइंड यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है? Which mind is being used? माइंड. 5 माइंड्स के बारे में हमने देखा ना. एनालिटिकल, फोकस्ड, इन्वेंटिव, एम्पैथेटिक. Very good. Now I feel that you have understood. So inventive mind was the dominating mind. And now since you know that Showstopper is going to be a program where directly going to be given with a drama and they are going to present on stage. They are going to prepare it. They are going to make it on their own with the help of their mentors in school and with parents. So during the year they will be provided with a lot of opportunities where they will be preparing for drama and they will be presenting the same at the end of the year. So this is going to be there in Showstopper program. And then we are going to have one program called Tell a Tale. Storytelling is very much required in today's time, right? अभी तक बच्चे स्टोरी सुनते हैं, चोरी वही स्टोरी सुना भी लेते हैं. Now it is going to be about creating their own story, right? So इसमें we will be covering certain tales, certain stories during the year, and at the end of the year, children are going to make their own story. So that is going to be there. And जैसे आपको बताया कि नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में आर्ट प्रोग्राम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आर्ट एजुकेशन देना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो इफ आई आस्क यू, डू यू नो एनी आर्टिस्ट? किसी आर्टिस्ट का नाम आपको पता है? कोई भी जो किसी भी तरीके की आर्ट करता हो, पेरेंट्स, एनी आर्टिस्ट? जाकिर हुसैन. एंड व्हाट इज द आर्ट? Sorry? Painting. What kind of paintings did he make? आप मतलब फॉलो करते हैं उनको? अच्छा, M.F. हुसैन का नाम सुना है? हाँ, माधुरी स्नैन. अच्छा, ओके. सो उनका नाम सुन के माधुरी दीक्षित याद आती है, राइट? हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट मिस्टर S.H. रजा? S.H. रजा के बारे में सुना है आप लोगों ने? सुना है? नहीं. Do we have time or are we running late? Can we do one activity? Okay, all right. So this program is going to be, so S.H. Raza के बारे में मैं आपको बता रही थी. So he is an artist who uses geometrical shapes to create his paintings. नई paintings बनाने के लिए वो geometrical shapes को use करते हैं. और all of his paintings will have geometrical shapes in it. Right, so in this particular program, from playgroup till senior KG, they are going to learn about different kind of arts from different kind of artists. And it is not that. How many of you think कि ये सारी जो बातें मैं कर रही हूँ ये सिर्फ बातें हैं और इतने छोटे बच्चे इसको नहीं कर पाएंगे? Is there anybody who thinks like that? कर लेंगे? Are you on it with me? Sure. चलिए इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे एंड प्रोबेबली फिर हम कंक्लूड करेंगे इस सेशन को. आई वुड वांट 3-4 फादर्स एंड 3-4 मदर्स टू कम हियर. प्लीज वॉलंटियर कम. इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी है, आपको मजा आएगा करने में. आइए, आ जाइए सर. मेक अ सर्कल. हाथ पकड़ के आपको सर्कल बनाना है. बनाइए, आ जाइए सर. आइए, हाथ पकड़ लीजिए. ठीक है, आपको भी ऐसे सर्कल बनाना है. अब आप लोगों को ये सर्कल को कन्वर्ट करके ऐसे सर्कल बनाना है. हाथ को छोड़ना नहीं है और कुछ ऐसा टॉयलेट ट्विस्ट करना है जिससे आपका सर्कल बिना किसी ऑब्स्टेकल के ऐसे बन जाए. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? चलो की ट्राई कर लीजिए. कोशिश कीजिए. कम ऑन, इफ समबडी वांट्स टू हेल्प सर, आप हेल्प कर दीजिए. आ जाइए, 4 लोग हैं, आप भी आ जाइए. बैठे हैं. नहीं, ये नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. ये क्या आप लोग करते हैं? अरे ऐसे नहीं, प्लेन सर्कल. ऐसे पीछे ऐसे नहीं होना है. मतलब आप हाथ छोड़ो. हाँ, ऐसे बन जाता है. कैसे नहीं करते? ट्राई कीजिए। कैसे बना दिया? हाथ छोड़ के दोबारा बना के दिखाइए। नहीं, फिर से बना के दिखाइए। आप देखिए इनको। वेरी गुड। टेकिंग क्लास। नाउ आई सी यू टेकिंग बनाइए। थैंक यू सो मच। वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड। किसका आइडिया था ये? हो गया? Can we clap for them as well? They are not very clean. Did you enjoy doing this? Now ये कराने में से एक बार प्रश्न at time तुमने give up कर दिया था ना? नहीं हो सकता, इसका कोई solution ही नहीं है, possible ही नहीं है। So सबसे पहले तो वो thought कि अगर कोई problem दी है तो क्या उसका कोई solution हो सकता है? तो I really appreciate that you have been courage कि नहीं इसका कोई solution तो होगा ही, right? और वहाँ पर ऐसा भी होगा कि solution नहीं होगा, but उसको at least try करके हम किसी उस तक पहुंच सकते हैं, राइट? या फिर हमें ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना कि ठीक है अभी ये नहीं सॉल्व हो सकता है, सो लेट इट गो एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन फ्रॉम हियर, राइट? सो दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू हैपन विद चिल्ड्रन in the new pedagogy which we are going to now. I will quickly take you through the timetable. So you know earlier we used to have around 18 sessions throughout the day periodically different days में. अभी we will be having 25 क्योंकि हमारे 5 सेशंस को नए ऐड हो गए। 25 टोटल सेशंस विल बी देयर फॉर चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम केजी टू नर्सरी, राइट? ये आप लोगों की को टाइम टेबल दिया है। देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोग्राम्स व्हिच आर एब्सोल्युटली न्यू। वर्ल्ड एंड वर्ल्ड प्रोग्राम हमारे करिकुलम का कभी भी पार्ट नहीं था। मेंटल माइंड, टेलरटेल, आर्ट्सी and what was the last one? Showstopper. So these 5 sessions have been added new, and personality development, critical thinking and ego conscious have been upgraded, right? Other than that, rest of the sessions are going to be, the names are different, there are some upgradations in all those sessions, right? So these are from now onwards you will be able to track performance of your children on daily basis through digital resource. आपको किसी ऐप के थ्रू आप बच्चे का हर दिन का परफॉर्मेंस और हर दिन की एक्टिविटीज को घर पे ट्रैक कर पाएंगे। सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट बिटवीन यू एंड टीचर्स। टीचर्स आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट ऐप इन स्कूल एंड यू विल बी एबल टू ट्रैक देयर परफॉर्मेंस एंड यू आर लर्निंग थ्रू दैट ऐप a small glimpse of how the materials which are being added are going to help children with learning of different types, how these materials are going to help. These are some of the teaching tools and aids which will be added in the school, you know, transition kit, through which children will be learning new things, right? This is going to be the new uniform, just to give you the glimpse. This is going to be the new child kit and uniform of children. There will be certain material which will be added. So now the books which will be there in child kit would look something similar to this. As I already mentioned that art education is very important as per National Education Policy. Also we have got 3 workbooks for artsy program for children of every grade. Right? Homework book 1, 2 and 3 and the chalk and slate has been replaced by a chalk book. So this is again a new concept. Right? These are the artsy books which will be there. And as it used to happen earlier also, through app there will be a lot of augmented reality enabled activities which children will be doing, right? So there there will be material related to science activities. This is how we are just looking forward to having environment in our school in the coming time, eventually. Yeah, so this was all from my side about Pentemine, जो new pedagogy हमारी. If you have any, I think activities करके हमने करके देखा है. तो अभी अब आगे से ऐसा ही होने वाला है कि अगर हमें बच्चों को कुछ सिखाना है तो हमें ऐसे करके दिखाना पड़ेगा, right? So this is the same way which we are going to implement in schools, and we would want you also to help children learn in the same way. We are always there to support you whenever you have any question, any struggle in doing anything with children. We are there, right? Other than this, as I already mentioned in the beginning of the session, that now since it's not only Kidsy, it is also Mount Letra Z Primary School. So as a parent, we also need to come out of that mindset where we feel that only going to a formal school or only getting child enrolled one time in a lifetime, एक स्कूल में बस बच्चे को डाल दिया, अभी वो टाइम नहीं है. आफ्टर नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, और आपको ये भी समझना पड़ेगा कि प्राइमरी सेक्शन में बच्चों की जो नीड्स हैं, जो जिस तरीके का सेफ एनवायरनमेंट, जिस तरीके की ज़रूरतें हैं बच्चों की, वो स्कूल्स में पूरी हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है, राइट? एंड हैविंग दिस national education policy in place, it will also become convenient for parents to switch school after grade 5, and we look forward to even extend after grade 5 in probably this school or in the coming vicinity, in the nearby vicinity. We probably will be having, so Mount Letra Z school is a formal segment till grade 12, but here in sector 27 Noida, so far we have till grade 5. So you can have your children in secure, safe environment, learning in vertical progression with the same Kidsy pedagogy, in Mount Letra as well. So you can have your children enrolled one time in PG and can get your children out of the school after grade 5. So that was from my side. If you have any question regarding anything, please, you are more than welcome to ask that. Is there any question? No question? Bhagna ekdam. Did you enjoy the session? I think you are all right. Any message for each other or for school? Any improvement you want to see in school? Koi feedback? No feedback?
Feedback is on the positive side that I have seen a lot of changes. I have seen a lot of changes in my career. She is in nursery, and I have seen a lot of changes within 1 or 2 months. So I am very positive. In fact, I have started giving feedback to other people staying nearby. Can you please enroll your child in Kidsy? And I am looking forward to my second child. She is already 9 months old, and I am looking forward once she will be turning 2 years, 3 months, that I will be getting her enrolled in Kidsy. So the environment is very protective, and I have seen teachers personally taking care of it so much, and so. In fact, I had taken feedback from my other friends also. They had enrolled their kids in some other schools. They were not at all happy. कि like डायपर में बच्चे 2-2 घंटे बैठे रहते हैं, पर गीला रहता है, पॉटी कर ली, nobody is giving any attention. But यहाँ मैंने देखा है कि like see, my kid is not downstairs, and now she was getting positive से कुछ नहीं खाया, and now my teacher is telling us कि नहीं उसने हमको खिलाता है. So these are the very small things which make you feel like yeah, your kid is in a very protective environment, and see, I am very much happy, very much satisfied.
Thank you. And for being a Kidsy parent, and we look forward to have you as our Mount Letra parents. Anybody else who wants to share anything about the school, or you want? See, as I already mentioned that we are partners, we are the same family. Even if you feel that there is something lacking in the school, this is the time you can speak so that we can add that thing in the system. Is there anything which bothers you about sending your children to this particular school? कोई भी माइंड में ऐसा थॉट है? सीनियर केजी का कोई पेरेंट है यहाँ पे अभी? ऑल द सीनियर केजी पेरेंट्स हैव गॉन? आप हैं? सो व्हाट इज योर प्लान फॉर द कमिंग ईयर? You can share. Even if you have got enrolled in any other school, you can share. This would be a feedback for me to understand that you know what is your आप जहाँ से देख रहे हैं, what is your vision for your children, what is your expectation from the school?
Yeah, we haven't enrolled so far.
Okay.
Yeah, but of course we are looking for the next year कि कहाँ पर एडमिशन कराना है.
All right. Okay.
एक माइंड में थॉट रहता है कि जैसे किसी जो प्री स्कूल, so how they will have the curriculum for the next year for class 1.
So this has grown. अगर आप देखेंगे, so मैं वही आपको बता रही थी कि now Kidsy is not only Kidsy. Kidsy is only till grade senior KG. After senior KG, it's Mount Litra Z school. We have all over India around 100 plus schools which are there, and when we have one IP school also which is located in Mumbai. Yeah.
I'm asking here again.
Here, yes. इस हाँ मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर लास्ट ईयर हो, आप 3 बच्चे तो यहाँ पे देख चुके हैं जो थे. सिंस इट वाज द फर्स्ट ईयर, सो ऑब्वियसली द स्ट्रेंथ वाज लिटिल लो, बट एज यू नो लाइक पेरेंट्स लाइक यू ओनली, जो हमारे यहाँ के खुद के अपने सीनियर केजी के बच्चे हैं, कहीं पे भी आप देखते हैं DPS या किसी भी स्कूल में देखते हैं जो बच्चे प्री प्राइमरी क्लासेस में पढ़ रहे हैं, वो उसी स्कूल में अपना कंटिन्यू करते हैं, बिकॉज यू नो द प्रोसेस इज सेम, the progression is very smooth, the learning is very smooth when the child is going to the same school for certain years, right? So likewise, we just want you to know and understand that this is Mount Litra Z School Primary, and in the coming years we probably eventually can upgrade this school to the higher grades as well. So that is going to happen. So thank you. Anybody else? Any question or any feedback?
She wants to say something. She just take mic and tell me. Yeah. We also you बोल के बोलो बेटा, क्या है words?
मुझे वापस किड्जी में आना है.
Where are you right now and why do you want to come to Kidsy?
And what is the reason why do you want to come to Kidsy?
Yeah, tell you ma'am.
बताइए.
नहीं पूरे सबको they are all like friend to you. आपके समझो कि friend, आपकी sister पढ़ती, what is the feedback about her? What do you feel like about her?
वो हर रोज नए नए पोएम सीखती रहती है.
हाँ, और बताओ just I want कि her name is Nitya, she is going to express something about her sister, how does she feel? बिल्कुल बेटा go on friend. एकदम अच्छा से. Yes.
बताओ, if you help them to understand, आप क्यों वापस आना चाहते हो?
वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करवा देते हैं, इतना लेटिंग वर्क कराते हैं. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
नहीं तो पूरी बात बताओ ना, मेरी बहन का नाम ये है और she learned this and this blah and I feel जो भी आप बिल्कुल एक्सप्रेस करो.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
वैसे नहीं बेटा, से कंप्लीट थी. आपकी बहन का नाम क्या है, किस ग्रुप में इनरोल्ड है?
मेरी बहन का नाम सस्ती है, प्ले ग्रुप में एनरोल्ड है, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब वो नई नई चीज़ें सीखती है.
All right, thank you parents for being an enthusiastic participant and enthusiastic audience, and for bearing with me for such a long time.